So, owning our decisions. This is what it's about. So, run that central meridian anti-clockwise over the heart. That helps to connect the left, right, top, bottom, front, back of the brain. Hold your hand, front and rear. So this little guy, emotional stress release points, helps to bring blood to the frontal cortex. Helps us to think clearer. And at the rear of the brain, back here, that's where our survival patterns run. So by holding those hands there, we're creating connections from the front to the back. Okay. I release any and all guilt around making decisions. I release any and all guilt around making decisions. I release any and all fear around making decisions. I release any and all fear around making decisions. My ego makes decisions easily. My soul makes decisions easily. My God within makes decisions easily. I now no longer allow my parents to make my decisions. I no longer allow my friends to make my decisions. I now no longer allow people in authority to make my decisions. I make my decisions calmly and confidently. I make decisions utilizing my conscious and subconscious parts of my brain. I no longer allow coercion to make my decisions. I stay relaxed while making decisions. Making decisions is easy for me. I release all procrastination while making decisions. My inner child is happy with every decision I make. My decisions are always in line with my highest good. My decisions are always in line with my highest good. My decisions are always in line with my highest good. Part 3 coming up. Love you all. Take care of yourselves. Stay true to yourself.